In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the string replace method to replace a substring and a string in Python. This is a very useful method that can save you a lot of time and effort when working with strings. In this code, we have a string variable called string that contains the sentence "I love Python programming." We then use the replace method to replace the substring love with hate. We store the new string in a variable called new_string. As you can see, the output shows that the replace method has successfully replaced the substring love with hate. Now, let's take a look at how to remove a substring using the replace method. In this code, we have the same string variable as before, but this time we want to remove the substring hate. We achieve this by replacing hate with an empty string. The output shows that the substring hate has been successfully removed from the string. That's it for this tutorial. The replace method is a very powerful tool when working with strings in Python. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you will continue to learn and explore the Python programming language.